welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be opening Kingdra EX. It's cool because we started to open the Xboxes now. And this one just looks amazing. And I'm just super excited to open this. So, I hope you're enjoying. Let's get started. So, our first pack that we have here is XY Steam Siege. We've also got an XY Fates Collide. Yay! An XY Breakpoint. Finally, we've not had that in a while. And a Sun and Moon pack. I'll name out the front Pokemon later on. Okay, first one we have XY Steam Siege with a shiny Gardevoir at the front. So, the first card in this pack is Holucha. Looks like it's having a little party there. Skiploom! Oh, some Hobbit. Where am I going? Captivating Pocket Puff. First trained card of the day. Galvantula. Reverse Shiny Mantine! Again. Why is there always Remoraid underneath? Or at least around it? A Mantine. Why is it always there? It's not included in its life. Yanma. Oh, that's a cute drawing of a Mareep. I say this so much, it's just that I really do love getting cute Pokemon cards. It's a card we just got a Mantine. Regular version. Random. What has Meowth done? What has Meowth done? That looks a bit chaotic. It looks like he's destroying stuff. And then he doesn't know what to do. Lavesta. Now we've got Fates Collide with a Mega Alakazam at the front. First Pokemon card is Omanyte. If you get a certain type of fossil, which is Helix Fossil Omanyte, you can turn it into that. Next one is Mascot. That looks so cute. Having a nice dream. It looks so cute. Ooh. Dojan evolves from Solosis. I've seen this in the Galar region. But it might be from Unova. Ooh, Lugia! That is a legendary. Or mythical. Reverse Shiny Moltres! That's really cool. I like how they draw it, I like it. Seal! Looks like it's looking forward to go back in the water. Creaky chair. Larvitar actually has a smile on its face for once. Lullaby. Bummies! Like, they're all different types. There's leaf bummy, sand bummy, and trash bummy. Leaf, trash, sand. Oh, keep on this. Now we have the XY Breakpoint pack, and it has a Mega Sizer at the front. So the first card in this pack is Frogadier? I can't say it properly, but I think I did say it properly. Now, Cloyster. That's a cool picture. Fighting Fury Belt. I just realised we've not got any energies yet. Golduck. See one in so long. Now I'm going to open it like this since it's a break card. What is this? It's a psychic. I think it's also supposed to be gold. So it's Phantom. I'm still going crazy. Well, I guess breakpoints do sometimes have break cards in it. Why is Trappy so sad? Poor guy. Ow. I can't tell what they're feeling. The dimples, I think one looks, from their mouths, I think one looks sad. One looks super duper sad. Actually, no, one looks super duper sad, one looks happy, and one looks very angry. From what I can see. Seedot! I think it was yesterday that we had a Seedot community day on Pokemon Go app. I got the full shiny set. Even double shiny Seedot. Shoulder. That's a cool card of it. I like it. That is 3D. The final pack. Sun and Moon with Lunala at the front. The Moon mythical Pokemon. Okay, the first one is XP Share. Whenever I see Pelipper, I always remember about the mailman because there was a game where Pelipper's a mailman. Put that down here, please. Okay, let me try and say this. Krokorok. I don't know how to say it. It's an intense name. Please. Forgive me, I can't say it. Finally, an energy. Psychic energy. Finally. Shiny Alola Mark card! Man. That just made me even more intense from that break card we got. Reverse shiny Pokeball! Man, today has really been cool. And this is a really cool Torkoal card. Over 100%. Pretty like this has been best. Zubat looks panicking a lot, as per usual. That's very normal. Robin! This is such a cute Growlithe! Cute! And the final one, Poplio! Poplio just managed to be up there. So, we're not done yet. Okay, can I? Okay. My chair kept on spinning. Luckily, the table was there. So, here we have the oversized Kingdra EX. Bigger than my face. Obviously. Usual. And the regular size Kingdra EX. EX. Even though DX is a thing. If I remember properly. And we have, I'm super happy we found this deluxe free break. I am just so happy. I love these. Like, these are like my favorite. I just love these. I'm just happy we finally found a break again. I miss getting breaks. I'm never letting go. I'm never letting go. I'm literally never letting go. But I will, because I'm going beach later. So, thanks for watching and bye.